Alright, so today I wanted to show you guys the result of the transfer. Now, I've already taken some of the paper off of this one, as you can see, and this was just a practice one that I did, and I put it on the bare wood, not painted, and I let it dry for about 24 hours or overnight, and then what I'm doing now is I've got a wet sponge, and I wrung it out a little bit, and then I pressed it onto the back and just really soaked it in and let it kind of soak in, the water soak into the edge here, as you can see. So this is what you kind of want to get, is the water to go into the paper, and that helps to peel the paper off. And so once it's wet like that, I can kind of come in and just peel the paper away. And I've used my thumb a little bit. I've also used, and then once I get up to this dry area, I kind of push the sponge down to get some water in there. But I can also use the sponge to peel the paper back. And I'm kind of going in little circles, and at first it won't come off real clean like here, but if I keep working at it, and I'm kind of just gently doing this, and I'm doing it, notice I'm doing this from the inside, I'm not going like this. I think that might peel some of the image off. And then when I get to this area, I'm just going to press down to get some water in there and get the paper nice and wet. And you can see where it's coming off of the image. That's okay. You know, you want some of that look. And then I'm just gently peeling the paper back. And then what you'll get is you'll get this kind of look where it looks a little bit like there's still some paper on there. You can kind of come in with your finger. And like I said, I'm kind of going this way instead of this way so it doesn't peel the image off. And you might have to keep dampening your image. And be, you know, especially gentle if there's somebody's face. You don't want to rub somebody's face. It's okay to have this image ripped up here, right? Because it's not on the face. And now you can also do this with a washcloth, a warm washcloth. And that's what you want to do. And so notice this got bigger. So whoops. Yeah, and I'm starting to wear some of this out right here, so I need to be careful. And so I'm not applying that much pressure. I'm just trying to avoid the area where I've already peeled up, because that'll just keep peeling up. But, you know, and you can go towards it like that, but and you'll notice that there's all these little paper little dollops, and so you want to kind of get those off of your image. And so and what you're looking for is that you still don't have that white kind of area from the paper, and so this is pretty much all gone. There's still a little bit here, and so trying to get this to come off. And you know, if you want that kind of look on the edge, you can kind of push harder and get some of that to come off if that's the kind of look you want, you know. And so I think that's pretty close. I've still got a little bit of paper that needs to come off, but I'm scared I'm gonna rip it off, so I might just take it over to the sink and kind of let the water take those spots off. And then if you guys need to, you guys can also sand down the edges of your block so that they're not so sharp and won't give you a splinter. All right, there.